Introducing the Abuti Syllabus Story Building app. So let's see how the app works. First, choose a language and a part of speech, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. Then, do a little pre-teaching of vocabulary to prepare the students for the task. Now the fun really starts. The students choose and record the words to finish the sentences.
A house. A shop. A hospital.
Then they draw a picture of the words. Next, take a photo of the drawings. Finally, choose some music. Then sit back, watch, and enjoy your story.
My family and I live in
A house.
We always go to
A shop.
We often pass
A hospital.
Congratulations! Your story is now ready to share with teachers, friends, and family. Just go to the Play Store online and download the Abuti Syllabus Story Building app. You can also visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.
Are you ready, kids? Stand, sit, walk, sleep.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. Together, we can make the world better.